This is Tracy, hbpicker, and I'm coming back with another video. Today we got this big old Lowe's box here, and I spent $175 with what is inside. I bought, these are graded movies, 2 beta and 2 VHS. So let's see what we have. Let's go ahead and get started and see what it looks like. Okay, as we open up, you can see this is how they packed it. I like that. Alrighty, got a couple of cards in here. Now these are graded from IGS, and if I were to have gotten these graded myself, they would have cost me about $115. That's $85 for the grade and $30 for the shipping. Really trying not to destroy my bubble wrap, but this is really hard with gloves on. As you can tell, they are packed very well. Now let's see what the first one is. Move that behind there. Okay. Now that I got the bubble wrap off, we're going to look inside, and it looks like we got Cujo, and this is a VHS. It's 7.5 grade for box and seal, graded by IGS, of course. The back and the sides. And there's nothing actually special about this movie other than it's an English cover. There's no watermarks on this one, but let's go ahead and see what else we got. We got Little Shop of Horrors. This is the one I spent the least on, and is $30 I spent on this one. BV watermark, white insert. This rated an 8.5 and an 8. Give you a look from all the sides. So that is that one. 2 down, 2 more to go. Alright, now with this IGS one, we have the Stay Away. This one graded really good at an 8.59. Bottom, any watermark, side UPC. And this is also a VHS. This is a VHS. Cujo is a VHS. Little Shop is a beta. And the next one they pull out will be a beta. But that's really nice. Okay. Last one. And it's Good Morning Vietnam. This is a beta. Graded an 8 for the box, 9 for the seal. THV seal, no ISBN, side UPC. This one is actually a gray tape, black tab, which I don't know if you could tell. That's what they're talking about right there. Oh, we got Good Morning Vietnam. Tell this is beta. Now what I'm hoping to price all these at is about $200 each, and I'm going to buy it now. That was my video, and I really hope you enjoyed. If you liked the video, like, Have a comment, and subscribe. Have a good day, everybody. Bye-bye.